Hi guys, this is the third video in the series Crisis to Opportunity. In the previous video, we spoke at length on the power of reflection. We spoke of identifying the dark spots, the sunshine spots, listing down of actionable and filtering them on the basis of is it only a concern area or is it something that I can influence and impact. So once we eliminate the ones which are only an area of concern, we are left with the ones that we have more influence on. But the larger challenge is the actionables need to turn to action for the results to be seen. That takes us to the second most critical element of our discussion, and that is resetting. In a situation, in an analogy that would work well here is, there's the machinery that's ready, the raw materials all ready, there's a switch that needs to be put on, which is switched on for the electric current to pass, and the reset is just that switch. For example, the situation that we are in, it makes us relook at the resource landscape. On a personal space, let's say the simplest of it, the vanilla element would be financial resources. One looks at the financial resources and in the mind then resets. Is it something that I need to spend on or I don't want to spend on? Now that's a decision coming out of a choice that we will want to make. In the business space, and there's this friend of mine who has a retail shop, about 20 to 25 salesmen, and you know how the retail counters work. Now they are left with the migration that happened, they are left with about 3 to 4 salesmen, and now with some restrictions taken off, they have gone back to the shop. The largest challenge is they are at 10% of the staff only. They did this resource landscaping, and in the mind reset that given the fact, accepted the fact that they will continue with 3 people, and they decided to continue with 3 people is based on the choice that they made. And the choice that they made was want to optimize the number of people that are available and optimize the situation that we are in. This decision, acceptance of this situation, helped them reset. And the moment they reset, they were extremely agile to just implement it. So reset, along with the choices that we make, will ensure actionables to move into action. Now the choices that we have at all points of time, the decisions, the choices may differ. Do I choose something which is simple and easy over something that's pretty difficult and tough? Do I choose between maximizing or optimizing? Do I choose when the businesses start to undercut my prices, or do I look at options to add value? Do I look at tomorrow or do I look at day after tomorrow? There are options and multiple choices that each one of us will be thrown at. It will be these choices that we pick that will decide whether we are able to reset well or not. Do we look at past as a reference point, or do we look at past as a residence? The second option may throw in more challenges than any opportunity. These choices we will be thrown at would be multiple. Each step that we decide what we did decide helps us reset, and how fast we reset will decide how fast we move from crisis into the opportunity zone. I hope these videos are of help to you. If you do feel free to reach out to us. Please write in the comment section, and importantly, if you haven't yet subscribed to it, please subscribe. We will keep meeting regularly on subjects that are of interest to you and to me. Thank you.